Do you often struggle with joint pain stiffness in the morning, or that uncomfortable soreness in your shoulders, back, or knees? Don't worry today. I'm going to share with you a simple folk recipe using just 3 very familiar kitchen ingredients that may help ease discomfort and support more flexible joints. The best part is it's extremely easy to prepare, completely natural, and gentle to use. Stay with me until the end of this video to discover this special recipe. Here I share simple and natural recipes that anyone can make right at home. In this recipe, the first ingredient we'll be using is bay leaves, a familiar kitchen spice that actually carries many surprising benefits for overall wellness. Bay leaves contain natural compounds known for their soothing and natural compounds that may contribute to a soothing effect, which may help alleviate swelling and discomfort often associated with joint stiffness. They are also believed to support the body in folk tradition to help the body feel lighter and more balanced. Simple yet powerful bay leaves are a wonderful addition to today's natural formula. You'll only need about 5 to 7 bay leaves depending on their size. Next, gently crush the leaves and place them in a clean glass bowl so that their beneficial compounds can be released and absorbed more effectively into the mixture. Rich in essential oils and antioxidants, bay leaves may help support circulation, nourish the joints, and even slow down some of the natural signs of aging. The special thing about bay leaves is their versatility. You can prepare them in different ways. Whether used as a soothing tea or infused into a massage oil, they can bring noticeable benefits when incorporated regularly. How about you? Have you ever tried using bay leaves before? Do you prefer enjoying them as tea, or do you like making massage oil instead? Share your experience in the comments. I'd love to know. The next ingredient in our recipe is rosemary, a familiar herb not only in cooking, but also well known in traditional remedies. Rosemary has long been valued as a natural plant that may help ease joint discomfort, support bone health, and improve flexibility. For this recipe, you can use about 3 fresh sprigs of rosemary. Rinse them well under running water to remove any dust or residue, keeping the leaves pure and full of their natural nutrients. Rosemary is especially appreciated for its soothing and circulation-boosting properties, which can help bring comfort to tired or stiff joints when used regularly. After rinsing the rosemary, gently pat it dry and separate the leaves from the stems, since most of the beneficial compounds are concentrated in the leaves while the stems carry very little value. Rosemary contains valuable natural components such as cineol, camphor, borneol, pinene, as well as tannins and saponins. These compounds are rich in antioxidants, which can help protect joint tissues, slow down natural wear, and bring relief from occasional discomfort. Once the leaves are separated, you'll have about 1 tablespoon of rosemary leaves, just the right amount to use for this recipe. If you don't have fresh rosemary on hand, you can replace it with about 1 tablespoon of dried rosemary. The benefits will be quite similar. Rosemary essential oils not only support joint comfort, but can also relax the muscles, ease tension, and bring a soothing sense of relaxation, which is why it has long been seen as a natural companion for those who often experience joint issues. Now add 1 tablespoon of rosemary leaves into the glass bowl that already contains bay leaves, allowing the 2 herbs to blend and enhance their effects. The next key ingredient is extra virgin olive oil. For centuries, olive oil has been called liquid gold in the world of health and wellness thanks to its rich nutrients and natural compounds that may contribute to a soothing effect. It serves as the perfect base to extract and carry the beneficial compounds from herbs like bay leaves and rosemary, helping the mixture achieve its best potential. For this recipe, we'll need about 100 ml of extra virgin olive oil. Thanks to its natural antioxidants and healthy fatty acids, olive oil helps soothe inflammation, protect the joints, and support recovery in areas that may feel sore. In this recipe, olive oil plays a double role. It works as both a carrier oil and a therapeutic ingredient, creating an effective and natural massage blend. Now, go ahead and pour the olive oil into the glass bowl you've prepared. Do you ever wake up in the morning with back pain? If so, stay with me until the end of this video. You might discover a simple natural tip to ease that discomfort. Once we've gathered the bay leaves, rosemary, and olive oil, it's time to move on to the cooking step to create our therapeutic mixture. First, make sure the glass bowl you're using is heat resistant and then place it in a double boiler. This gentle method allows the herbs to slowly release their beneficial compounds without burning or losing valuable nutrients. While cooking, keep the heat at a medium level for about 30 minutes, stirring gently from time to time so the active compounds blend evenly into the olive oil. This way, the essence from bay leaves and rosemary slowly infuses into the liquid gold, creating a nourishing herbal oil. The finished mixture is valued in folk remedies for its ability to ease joint stiffness, support bone strength, and bring relief to tired legs with visible veins. It's a simple, natural, and safe home preparation that many people have used to care for their joints and encourage healthy circulation. Once the oil has cooled down, strain out the herbs with a fine sieve, keeping only the clear infused oil. Pour it into a clean glass jar with a tight lid for storage. Keep the jar in a cool, dry place or in the refrigerator to extend its freshness. This herbal oil can be used in many flexible ways. Each evening before bed, simply take a small amount, apply it directly to the stiff or sore area, and massage gently so the nutrients absorb deeply. Leave it on overnight, giving your body time to take in the goodness. With regular use for about a week, you may notice a comforting difference: less stiffness, more flexibility, and easier movement in the morning. Whenever discomfort returns, you can repeat this method as a safe, natural, and easy home practice. So, we've just explored a simple yet useful recipe to support joint comfort and overall health. Please remember, this video is for reference only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Before we wrap up, I'd like to remind you that caring for your joints isn't only about medicine. It also comes from daily habits and the natural ingredients all around us. With a little consistency, applying today's tip together with gentle exercise and a balanced diet, you'll notice your body becoming more flexible, less stiff, and healthier over time. I hope this video gives you an easy, practical way to enjoy a more active, joyful, and healthy life every day. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss out on more natural health and beauty tips. See you in the next video.